Hi you.
Hi you.
Hey guys!
We want to share more
about the situation in Nepal.
Nepal is still having the lockdown.
And the situation regarding COVID-19
hasn't really gotten any better.
Last week, 4 employees
that live close by the factory
Started to work a few hours again.
They started to make face masks.
to supply the community with.
First of all,
a big thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your donations
We were able to pay
every employee
the salary last month.
For this month,
We set a new goal.
the schools and colleges across the country
are rolling out online classes.
but many families don't even have a laptop.
we checked with our tailors.
and their families
What they would value most at the moment.
And we came to the conclusion
That the education of their kids is their biggest worry.
Our goal of this month
Is to provide 29 children with a laptop and internet.
join our crowdfunding
And donate now.
to make sure that they can follow their education program.